Welcome to McMath Autos, where we do the math to save you some cash. Peace and blessing, family. It's Chris. Today we have a 2007 Honda Pilot EXL. That's long base. Let's get out and check it out. How many miles? We got 192,232 miles. Again, y'all, this is Atlanta, so that don't mean nothing here in Atlanta. You can have a 4, and then that's considered high mileage. All right, so here we go. Y'all always want to know the bad. Here go your bad. I don't know what they hit. I bought it like this. There you go, right there. You see the dent in the bumper, but all that works. Let me turn the lights on. Let me double check. You know what I'm saying? Trust but verify. Let's turn these lights on. Lights are on. Trust but verify. Don't take my word for it. There we go. See them lights on? Tires are in good shape or decent shape. It's got the sunroof. We're gonna hit that sunroof early this time, but the button on the other side, I believe. But here's the interior on the passenger side. I just did a quick vacuum. I didn't really detail this one like I normally do. It's got the does have the aftermarket JVC radio with the USB auxiliary CD, heated seats, high and low. That's driver, passenger side. It has plenty of. Let me get my phone out of the way. It's got plenty of storage down here. So you got the storage right here. You got the cup holders right here. That goes up. You can remove the cup holder. Clicks back in. You got the, I don't know what kind of cell phone. Y'all remember what kind of cell phones we had in 07? Did they really fit in here? That's like for one of the Nokia brick phones down there. So you got the cell phone holder right there. Put that there. Open this up. So this is the inside. You got the 12 volt. And there you can charge your phone. That's inside the armrest. You got your climate control right here with your AC, the modes. Right now I had it set at 73. Fan blows. Up, down, rear control. That's pretty much self-explanatory at this point with most cars. Now let's move around. Got your back seat. This is leather. It's all leather, no rips, no tears. It does need a little detail though. It could use some conditioning. Not gonna lie to you. I don't lie to y'all. It could use some conditioning. So we got that. Oh, has a third row. I'm gonna let the seat down right here, and it slides forward for your egress and degress. Got your third row. It's in good shape. You can tell anybody sit back there. Oh, and it reclines. See that reclining? Got the reclining second row. Honda Pilot 4-wheel drive. That's all 4 all the time. All right, we in the back here. Hey, look guys, I'm trying to keep it cheap, trying to keep it cost effective. You know what I'm saying? Because what's your best price? Well, you might want to clean it up a little bit. All right. So we in the back, the third row. Here's your factory stereo in case you like factory stuff, like the factory look. Now, third row, as you can see, it has slots for headrests right here. Where the headrest at, Chris? Chris, you ain't got the headrest. I want some money off. Here you go, right here. Here we go. Push that down. Bam. Get that out the way. There go your 3 headrests right there. I'll take care of the license plate. It won't be in here by the time you get it. I'll take care of that plate. So we walk back around. It does have a little bit of rust. See that? I know I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I'm honest, man. Here we go. Let's get to the driver's side. And right here is where we have the tilt for the sunroof. That's that middle button right there. And then right here, it closed. So you see it's closed. Then the bottom button, retract. Retracted that joint, but then the white button right here, close it again. And there we have it. Y'all back in here. So what happened? I covered. Radio works, air works, heat works. Get y'all inside. Heat works, seats work. Runs and drives, fast emissions, Georgia emissions. No check engine lights. Cause y'all be thinking I'm shucking and driving, man. Y'all be Oh, no, it's a this, it's a that. No, this is it right here. Let me get it right there where y'all can see it, get it out the sun. Hold on, hold on. That fan blowing so hard, I almost blew paper. There we go. See that? Passed. Honda Pilot, 2007. 196,000 miles when I did it. That's all we got. 192. This is the lock for your this is the lock for your torque converter for your wheels and your 4-wheel drive. So that's 4-wheel drive lock, keeps them locked in. Man, that's pretty much it. Let's go on a test drive. I know what y'all wanted. The engine. Do it even have an engine? Let's see the picture of the engine. Y'all be surprised how many times I get asked for pictures of an engine. All right, so here's the engine. Doing this with one hand now. Y'all gotta give me some grace. Doing it with one hand. There we go. Sounds good. And I know, it ain't perfect. It's not perfect. It's a used car, it's not perfect, man. It's not gonna be perfect. And I ain't gonna try to make it perfect. I'm gonna try to make it safe, try to make it cost effective, try to make it affordable. But I'm not gonna make this car perfect. You make it perfect. It's for you, you make it perfect, all right? Let me put my seatbelt on, we'll be right back. All right, here we go. See, no huge jerk when you're going to the drive, so you know don't have no transmission issue. I would jump on the interstate, but I believe the police have somebody pulled over there, so we're just gonna go on the back road. And I'm doing a little off-road driving right now. Ain't really off-road, we're just in the grass and the damn dirt. Shake left, shake right. Here we go. Gonna get on out in traffic. Oh my goodness. We didn't call all the traffic. All the damn traffic. The little spot I was gonna go to, yeah, we didn't call all the traffic. Come on, Cadillac. There's one out the way. Pay attention to your RPMs. They'll let you know how your transmission's doing. Temp gauge is good, I'm not overheating. Believe it or not, I put some gas in this thing because the not the check engine light, the fuel light was on. So we're just cruising along. What's it need, Chris? Chris, what does it need? You could use an alignment, possibly some new tires. I'm assuming these tires are probably a few years old. And this car came from Ohio, so I can't verify exactly, you know, how long the tires have been on there, or, you know, and I didn't check the date on the tires or not, but, you know, tires are always a good thing to look into. Use some tires and probably some brakes, you know. So here we go. So I'm accelerating. A nice little cool Explorer in front of us. Shout out to the Explorer doing the speed limit. Good job, good for you. Wish you get out my way though. So what have we done? We did sway bar links in the front. What else have we done to this thing? Oil change has been done. Sway bar links in the front. It didn't need much, man. It didn't need much in order for us to make it safe. So it didn't need much. I just see that the tire pressure monitor light came on, so one of these tire pressure sensors are bad, so it's gonna need one of those, because I'm probably not gonna replace that. That's something that you can get done when you get your tires done. So while they have the tires off the wheel, you can go ahead and get that done. But I'm gonna turn around real quick. Hopefully won't be too many people on our way, and we'll get up to a highway speed so you can see in here that we don't hear no rattle, rattle, thunder clatter, no, not a bunch of shaking and moving up in here. I think this is pretty cool too right here though. How they have the compass in the mirror right there. You guys see that? So we're facing northeast, compass, west, south. It's got a Viper remote start. So you remote start this thing on your cold, chilly, 50-degree nights in Georgia. All right, so let's take off, man. Let's take off. So there, I'm not driving too crazy, just a little acceleration. You know, I'm not trying to be NASCAR. It's a damn extended SUV, you know what I'm saying, by a Honda. It's a V6 Honda. You know, it's a grocery getter. I'm not expecting it to be, you know, a V8 Tahoe or something like that. So here we go. So we accelerate some more. I just want you guys to get a feel for it. So this is a 2007 Honda Pilot EXL. That's the long base. The long base. The little extension back there, little extension back there. All right, so this is the long base one. We're gonna have a price right. I think we're gonna have a price right around $5,000. It's got 192,000 miles on it. Just passed Georgia emissions, fresh oil change, all that good happy horse stuff, man. This is Chris, McMath Autos, 404-719-8355. We're on all social media platforms at McMath Autos, MCMATH Autos. Peace.